welcome my dear student. Now this is our in this video we will try to study the composite type. As you know that there are different types of data types will be in the PHDL programming. So in the previous one we will see the scalar type. This year we will see the composite type, and also to another that is access and file type. So our today's topic is the composite type. A composite type represents a collections of values. There are two composite types, an array type and a record type. An array type represents the collections of value all belonging to a single type. On the other hand, the record type represents the collections of value that may belonging to the same or different types. An object belonging to the composite type therefore represents a collections of sub-objects, one for each element of the composite type. An element of a composite type should have a value belonging to the either scalar type or composite type or an access type. For example, a composite type may be defined to be represent an array of a records. This provides the capability of defining arbitrarily complex composite types. This is all about a composite type. It means that there are basically two types of composite types, array types and the record type. So now first we will see the array type. An object of an array type consists of an element that have the same type. For example, of an array type declarations are type address underscore word is array 0 to 63 of a bit. Type data underscore word is an array of 7 down to 0 of MVL. Type ROM is array 0 to 125 of a data underscore word. Type decode underscore matrix is an array of positive range from 15 down to 1, natural range 3 down to 0 of MVL. The positive and neutral are predefined subtypes. These are the subtypes of natural is integer range from 0 to integer high. Subtypes positive is integer range 1 to integer high. The high attributes give the highest value belonging to this type, and in this way these array subtypes array type will be get dealt. The example of object declaration using these types are the variable ROM address underscore ROM, signal address dot bus underscore address word, constant decode matrix, variable decode value decode matrix, address underscore bus is a one-dimensional array object that consists of 64 elements of a type bit. ROM address is a one-dimensional array object that consists of 126 elements, each element being another array object consisting of 8 elements of the MVL. We have thus created an array of an array. The element of an array can be accessed by specifying the index value into the array. For example, the address bus 26 is refers to as the 27th element of an address bus array object. ROM address is referred to the value of MVL. Likewise, here we have to one other thing is observe that the difference in the addressing of the two-dimensional array type and an array of a type which is array another type. The language allows for an arbitrary number of a dimensional to associate it with an array. It also allows an array object to be assigned to the another array object of the same type using a single assignment statement. The assignment can be made to an entire array or to an element of an array or to a slice of an array. Here we taken a simple example of unconstrained array declaration type. The 0 symbol is called as the box symbol in the language. Type stack type is an array integer within certain range of address underscore word. The subtype stack is a stack underscore type 0 to 63. Type op underscore type is of addition, subtraction, multiplications and division. Type of timing is an array from operational types range from operational type range of a particular time. An example of the object declaration using these types are variable fast underscore stock, that is stock type is ranging from minus 127 to the plus 127. The constant ALU timing, that timing is for given for addition, subtraction and multiplications operation. Like for example, likewise the for addition is 10 nanosecond, 20 nanosecond and 45 nanosecond. For subtraction is the 20 nanosecond, 15 nanosecond and 40 nanosecond. For multiplication it is 45 nanosecond, 40 nanosecond and 30 nanosecond. Likewise, the stack type is defined to be an unconstrained array type that specifies the index of an array as an integer type and the element type as a type address word. The stack is a subtype of the base type stack type with the specified index constant. The variable declaration for the fast underscore stack defined to be a type of stack type also specify an index constraint. The constant ALU underscore timing specifies the timing for a two operator ALU, where the operators could be add, sub or multiply. For example, an ALU that performs add and sub operations has a delay of 20 nanoseconds. The declaration for the ALU timing is a special case of a constant declaration where the no constraint need to be specified for the unconstrained array, since the size of the constant object is determined from the number of values in the constraint. This is all about the array types. Another type of composite type is a record type. In the record type, an object of a record type is composed of an element of the same or the different types. It is analogous to record a data type in a Pascal and a struct declaration in a C. For example, the record type declaration is type PIN underscore TYPE. It is range from 0 to 10. Type model is record size underscore integer. It is range from 20 to 200. The critical underscore DLY time. No inputs pin type, no output, number of input pin type, number of output pin type, and end the record. The value can be assigned to a record type object using aggregates. Now, how this aggregate will be? The variable nan.comp model. The nan underscore comp is an object of record type model. Nan underscore comp is equals to 15, 20 nanoseconds and 3 and 2. Likewise, here the value can be assigned to a record type object from another record type object of the same type using the single assignment statement. In the following example, each element of the NAND generic is assigned the value for the corresponding element of NAND count. In this way, this record type will be get used. Here we completed the composite type having two different subtypes, that is array and a record. Thank you very much.